In this section, we are going to learn about the necessary feature, which is practical in electrical drawings. As you know, in electronics devices, we have components that are made of several parts. For example, a relay consists of contacts beside it. So if you notice, you can say that the relationship is such a parent and child. For example, a relay can act as a parent and the contact can be as a child, and the information from the parents will automatically be transferred to the child. To show you how the procedure can be done, first of all, I'm going to choose a component, so I select icon menu, and here I'm going to choose a relay coil. After inserting components, and then we have edit component dialog box, and it is possible to assign your desired features to your component, such as component tag, description, and so on. By choosing OK, you can insert your coil. Here we have attribute which is specify normally open and normally close of contacts. And if you want to, you can move it near to the coil. So just select it and right click on it and choose attributes and move it. In the command line, you will be prompted to select the attribute that you want to move. So I'm gonna choose it. And then click on the outside part on the screen. So back to command line, which says select the base point. Then choose the point that you want to move it. In the next step, I'm going to insert the contact. So for the another time, I choose icon menu, and then in insert component dialog box, I select contacts and relays, and I will choose relay contact, which I prefer. Again, in the command line, I will be asked to specify insertion point, so I click on the point that I want to locate my components. The Edit Child component dialog box will be opened. Now we have added child component, which can make it possible to specify a tag or description to the component, and here we have parent sibling option. By choosing this option, you need to select component to be as a parent. So I select this button, then in the command line, I will be asked to select a component that I want to be as a parent. I do that, and the Edit Child Component dialog box will be displayed for the second time. As you see in the tag field of component tag area, the selected tag is written here, which represents the parent component tag. By choosing OK button, we can see that the reference number or tag of child is same as the parent component reference number, and the tag of child component is attached to the attributes of parent component. Therefore, they are related to each other. Now I want to change the location of child component and bring it to this part. So I move it and place it here. As you can see, the attribute of parent component has changed. Again, to show you the other case, I'm going to change the location of parent components. As you see, the tag of parent component has changed based on the reference number of child. So it means that the attributes of these two components are related to each other, or in the other hand, are linked together.